What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Happy Monday. Yesterday was the first Sunday of the NFL season. Very exciting. My Raiders won by 1 point over Denver. Anyways, for everyone that doesn't care, we're going to go over Bitcoin. Sitting at 25.6K, down 0.94 on the day. See a market cap of 498 billion. 24-hour volume, 9.76 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So it looks like we're going to break down this week. Looks like it's starting here. So I would expect us at least to break this wave 3 low, and it would be a miracle if we bounce before the invalidation. Bounce at about 24.8K or the 618 at 25K. That would be the miracle situation. Otherwise, we're going to invalidate, which I think is very possible. We are in September, which is historically a bearish month for crypto. On the weekly chart, something to take notice is we have a double top. We have bearish divergence on the RSI, bearish divergence on the money flow. Now, that doesn't mean we're going to come all the way down to the technical target of 19.8K. Of course, anything is possible, but our next major level of support and liquidity, as we've been mentioning here, in between about 22.5 to about 24.9, but I would expect at least like 22 to 23K is what I think is likely for BTC, unless we get that miracle bounce. Now, looking at the DXY, let me pop over to the 4-hour time frame. Actually, let's go to the daily. Hope the pets are healthy. Hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So the DXY, I do think the DXY could see some pullback relatively soon. We have bearish divergences, so we're pushing higher on the daily, and we have divergence on the money flow and a divergence on the RSI, and we are pushing up into resistance, so we could start to pull back. If we start to pull back, then we could get the opportunity for Bitcoin to see that early bounce. But if we just push up to 106 without pulling back first, that's when you're going to see BTC come straight down to 23K. So we'll see if we pull back first, and if Bitcoin pulls off the miracle of breaking this wave 3 low and bouncing from about 25K or 24.9K before invalidating our wave 1 low, which is right here at 24.7. We'll see if we bounce before then. But even if we bounce before then, it could just still be a part of the wave 4. Could be a little trick fake out to the upside before coming lower. I really wouldn't get bullish unless this down sloping trend line is broken, as I've been mentioning in the videos. But I do think there's a good chance that we could at least come down to the 22 to 23K range. We'll have to see how it plays out. Signals will be given in the Discord when we take some trades for many coins. We cover many coins in the Discord. It's $10 a month. You spend $10 every single day. Or you can sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for my Canadian US traders dying for an exchange. Email me your sign up email. I will give you a 14-day free trial. To my daily crypto analysis for many coins, my trade setups, exact entries, exits, take profits, crypto news, member profits, how to all place, as well as Forex. We're trading Forex. We're in a trade for gold, upcoming trade for silver. All is included for only $10 a month, or grab that free trial by signing up to BITUNIX. All links are in the description down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.